My wings have been clipped. It's okay, I still have my feet. Then I remember the tractor accident that ripped my feet from my muscular body.
What the?
I got to tell you, I wrote a poem last night.
Let's hear it.
You want to hear it now? Because it really has
Absolutely.
nothing to do with news, but
How long is it?
it's not too long.
It looks
well,
long.
there-
I'm looking at it. Wow, Josh. Oh my God.
Let me see, hold it up.
Look how long it is.
Whoa, that's a long ass
It's
poem.
not too long.
You whipped it together.
Hey,
Yeah.
this is Josh Spiegel's news broadcast. This is your cage. We're just the fighters. in it. You go ahead and you do
all right.
yourself a
This is the
poem.
news people care about.
All right.
Is there a title to the poem?
Little bird.
Little bird.
I hope the bird doesn't stand for child.
Little bird, never stop chirping. Your song is dreary, but I'm not leery, my precious little bird. Some days I hear your call. I catch a glimpse of you on a branch. I wonder, should I fly to the branch to sit beside you? Then I remember I don't have wings. Clipped, clipped, clipped. My wings have been clipped. It's okay, I still have my feet. Then I remember the tractor accident that ripped my feet from my muscular body. Well, at least I still have hands. Then I remember the taco truck that crushed and mangled my hands.
What the?
No more options, done forever. But I hear the bird chirping and dive onto the ground. I crawl to the tree. The bird's eyes meet my gaze. The bird swoops down and lifts me in the air, like Rafiki lifted Simba in The Lion King. The bird places me on the branch beside it, perched together, man and bird. A loud crack, the branch collapses under my weight. The fall is fast and rough. I open my eyes and the little bird is gone. All I see is a feather. Little bird, never stop chirping. Your song is dreary, but I'm not leery. My precious little bird.
Yes!
Guys, can we do snaps? Can we do snaps? Can we do snaps like a snaps? Snaps
I
in here?
loved it.
Did you really?
Yes.
Oh, stop it.
Look at me.
It's a metaphor for something that I have no idea, but I'm sure it means. What does it mean? Could you break it down for us?
You know, I don't know.
You've tasted human flesh before.
I mean, a
That's got
bird
the
couldn't
answer.
actually lift you up.
You've took a bite of
That's-
Was
this.
it removing you from something?
Good
Is this some
point.
sort of support that's not there for you anymore? But it sounded like you were still.
It's a good point. I don't know. I'm going to have to read it over the long weekend.
Well, if you don't know what it meant, it doesn't mean anything. You
Oh,
wrote
I
it.
just, I just wrote it last night as I did nothing and did nothing at 6:30 last night.
Wow. That is, that's intense.
Are you going to tell your therapist about that?
Oh, I don't go to therapy.
Well, that's a mistake.